Here we will continue with our review questions, past questions on use of English. You by now already know how crucial, how critical use of English is. So we wouldn't waste much time. Without much ado, let's continue from, this is part 23. Sounds more like Psalm 23. This is part 23 you are watching. We have been on a series giving you what will come out, expected questions that you should expect in JAMB use of English, and we have arrived at part 23. Let's continue. In the following options, letter A to D, all the words except one have the same stress pattern. Choose the one with the different stress pattern. There's something I've taught you. I've taught you that whenever a question is given to you, the first thing for you to do is not to answer. The first thing is for you to understand the question, right? Do your best to understand the question. If you don't understand the question and you rush out of anxiety, you rush to answer, then you have already failed the question. Okay? So they say in the following options, letter A to D, all the words except one have the same stress pattern. Choose the one with different stress. A, commit. B, compare. C, complete. D, column. The answer is D. Why? In the given options, commit, compare, complete, and column, the word with a different stress pattern is D, column. But the other one, commit, the stress is at the ending. But this one, the stress is at the second syllable, but column, the stress is at the first syllable. Let's look at question number 17. Are you here? In the following options, letter A to D, all the words except one have the same stress pattern. Choose the one with a different stress pattern. A, apparent. B, attractive. C, devastate. D, infectious. The answer is C, devastate. The other option have the stress on the second syllable. Okay. Question 18. In the following options, letter A to D, all the words except one have the same stress pattern. Choose the one with a different stress pattern. A, physique. B, menace. C, challenge. D, reckless. The answer is physique. Physique has its stress on the second syllable. Let's look at this question. Question 19. In each of the following questions, the main or primary stress is indicated by writing the syllable on which it occurs in capital letter. In each of the following questions, the main or primary syllable is indicated by writing the syllable. The main or primary stress is indicated by writing the syllable in which it occurs in capital letters. From the words letter A to D, choose the one that has a correct stress. We are looking at this word calculator. A, calculator. B, calculator. C, calculator. Then D, calculator. The answer is A. You can stress the first syllable. Calculator. Okay, are you still here? Remember that if you watch this video from now until the end of this video, I'm going to give you a gift, and that gift will be free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past questions. I'm going to send you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllables to everyone that watches this particular video from now till the end, right? So I want you to watch it. Be serious, focus, avoid any distraction. Are you here? Are you still with me? Okay. In each of the following questions, the main or primary stress is indicated by writing the syllable on which the stress occurs. From the words letter A to D, choose the one that has a correct stress. Criticism. Criticism. A, criticism. B, criticism. C, criticism. Then the criticism. The answer is criticism has its stress on the first syllable, so it's criticism. Are you with me? I hope you are following. Question 21. In each of the following questions, the main or primary stress is indicated by writing the syllable on which it occurs in capital. If I were you, I will note down these things. What you are watching, you are not watching a Nollywood movie, so don't watch these tutorials I give as though you are watching a Nollywood movie. By the way, what you are watching now is part 23. We have done a series of videos starting from part 1. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 10, part 15, until now you are in part 23. If I were you, after watching this part 23, I will return to part 1 and begin to watch it afresh. Begin to do what? Watch it afresh. Watch part 1 with your pen and your paper and you can write it down, then watch part 2 with your pen and paper, then you write it down until you finish watching. Also, in the other subjects like use of English, in the other subjects like chemistry, physics, biology, government, CRS, literature, I have economics, I've done a series too, several videos. If you need me to give you access to those videos, just tell me in the comment section. Come to the comments and say, sir, please give me access to all the videos you have done, and then you mention that particular subject. I could give it to you. Okay, we are looking for, in each of the following questions, the main or primary stress is indicated by writing the syllable on which it occurs in capital letters. From where's letter A to D, choose the one that has a correct stress. Expenditure. A, expenditure. B, expenditure. C, expenditure. D, expenditure. The one stress in B in expenditure is actually in PEN. So the answer is B. Expenditure has this stress on the second syllable. Now let's look at, we are changing gear now. From the words letter A to D, choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. Choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. A, the man as well as the woman dash arrested. The man, as this one is about Concord, agreement of words, right? The man as well as the woman dash arrested. A, have been arrested. B, has been arrested. C, is being arrested. D, are being arrested. The answer, actually, the man as well as the woman, the answer is B, has been arrested. The man as well as the woman has been arrested. Let me give you the reason. Based on the rule of Concord, when words such as alongside, together with, no less than, etc. are used, the verb that follows will be the same with the subject of the phrase or clause. That is, the noun or the pronoun that comes before the marker of accompaniment. Right? Okay. So when they say the man as well as the woman, it has to be has be, or the man together with. I hope you understood. Whether you say when words such as alongside, together with, no less than, etc., you treat it the same way you treat as well as. I hope you are following. Let's look at question number 23. From the words letter A to D, choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. Many a dash to understand me. Many a dash to understand me. Many a man felt to understand me. B, many a man fails to understand me. C, many a man failed to understand me. D, many a man fails to understand me. The answer is simple. Many a man fails to understand me. Here is the reason. The answer is B. Based on the rule of Concord, when many a is used, the verb and the noun that follows must be singular. Right? When you use many a, the word and the verb that follows must be singular. Okay? I hope you are learning. Remember, if I were you, I will quickly, after watching this particular video, go to your textbook or go online and read up everything you can about Concord, the rules. There are several rules, English rules, called Concord rules, concordance, agreement of words. From the letters A to D, choose a word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. I've always told you, always try to understand the instruction. Understand the instruction on top of a question before you begin to attempt it. By the way, I want you to claim the things I will say now. You will gain admission this year. You will be among those that will gain admission this year. Even if only few people get admission, you will be among them. You will score 300 and above. That is our target in this YouTube channel. We are not here for people that will score 130 or 170. No, our target is 300 and above. If you claim it, I want you to type, I claim it. And if you claim it, then we must continue seriously working towards ensuring that you score high in this exam. From the words lettered A to D, choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. A. It is you that dash to write the letter. It is you that dash to write the letter. A. It is you that is supposed to write the letter. B. It is you that is supposed to write the letter. B. It is you that is supposed to write the letter. C. It is you that are supposed to write the letter. D. It is you that has